Okay, so let's add our volume breaker to our simulation. So I will create a new dynamic set, bring it up, and I will call it just simply VB, volume breaker. So I'll apply it to my active group. From the active, it will go to the volume break. So if I'll just simply just connect this, I won't get anything. I mean, just simply it will transform everything from the volume breaker, just too much over the piece, and that's all. But I would like to give it some randomness. So how I will do that? There's a beautiful black box here, so you can't really see, but there's down there, it's off the screen, time counter. I press the time counter. So don't worry, there's too much of thing, but we don't need all of them. So I will hold down Alt and right click on my mouse. I will delete this particle data and these two floats. So I have a fade in. So what it will do, it will activate my volume breaker. So let's first of all delete this. So everything between from 0 to 1 will be active. We can apply volume breaker. Go turn it on, and particle I will connect to timer's particle. So I don't want to activate, as I said, everything. So I'll go first of all condition standard threshold. So I will activate the velocity. So everything, if the velocity of this group will be more than 5, it will start. So what time? This is the main thing. So this is kind of will kind of give some a lot of pieces. I mean, let me explain like this. So if, for example, I apply 10, number 10, it means that each time, for example, when the lights coming and activating these, I'm gonna send it to the new group, active group. So as this activates, so it will start the volume breaker. But for the 10 frames, after 10 frames, it will turn off. A new group, it will start volume break, 10 frames, then turn off, 10 frames, turn off. This kind of tricky thing. So you remember like that. I mean, if there's a lot of frames, so it means lots of new geometry, lots of pieces, so it can easily crash your machine. So I know that I think for me 6 would be enough here. Also give some randomness. Here you can control, and here don't forget to send to a new group. We will call it VB2. And I don't want to activate everything. Break all of the geometry. So I will break just 55% of the geometry. Oh, bring down the raster, is too high. It's about 12 to 5,000. And we're good. And let's see. So that will create just new one, blah blah blah. Let's quickly cache and see what we have. Okay, it's almost done. Yeah, it's done. It took about 37 seconds. So don't forget to change colors. Okay, so VB1, I set it to blue color, so it will be easy to see. Okay, it's green color. Why is that? So let me see. I've sent maybe. Oh yeah, I've set it to VB2. It's not too tricky parts. Okay, we can change to another color. It's not too difficult. So it's working. Yeah, it's definitely working. It's good. Like the motion. So there's also a spin operator here, which gives a nice spin. So really simple. So what we will do in the next one will give some extra debris here. So it will be a lot of massive debris. And then we will create the dust particles. Then we'll jump into FimeFX and try to give some heavy dust. So I'll see you in the next video.